to use Cash App direct deposit to get paid earlier. So let me tell you guys, since I can't access the Cash App or website in my region, I'll be using screenshots and official information from Cash App to walk you through the process. So to use Cash App direct deposit to get paid earlier, what you have to do is open the Cash App on your device, then tap the money or balance tab on the home screen at the bottom, then select the direct deposit option, then tap get started or copy your unique routing number and account number displayed on the screen, then provide these routing and account numbers to your employer, HR department or payroll provider to route your paycheck. Now once your employer submits the payroll file, Cash App makes the funds available immediately rather than holding them. This process allows you to receive your direct deposit up to 2 days early compared to standard traditional banks, and no extra buttons are needed once set up. Early arrival happens automatically whenever your employer sends the payment file ahead of time. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.